This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by stopping the calls you can control right now. Use your phone's block feature on any number that just called. This prevents that specific line from reaching you. Then enable Do Not Disturb for unknown callers so only contacts get through. This cuts volume fast. Make sure to register your number on the National Do Not Call list if your country offers one, because once listed, legitimate telemarketers must comply and enforcement options become available. Once done with immediate blocking, you move to filtering and reporting. Install a reputable spam blocking app that adds community-reported numbers and caller ID. This reduces future reach. Make sure to report fraudulent calls to your carrier so they can investigate network sources, and to the Consumer Protection Agency to enable wider enforcement. Configure your phone or carrier account to send suspected spam to voicemail and auto-reject known scam packets. To finish, secure accounts and complete follow-up actions. You should change passwords and enable multi-factor authentication where needed, because fraud callers often attempt account access. Monitor financial statements and credit reports. Place a fraud alert if you see suspicious activity. If unwanted calls persist despite blocking and reporting, escalate. Contact your carrier for advanced filtering or port blocking, and file a complaint with the regulator so enforcement steps can be taken. This is the key troubleshooting path to stop repeat offenders.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.